Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of September 14, 2020. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel, every day in our live trading room, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction for my members to make some extra daily income and give out a long-term price direction for swing trading to make a bigger profit potential. Last week, markets were in correction. People taking profit on technology big cap stock. So far, we have 10% correction on NQ on the Nasdaq and 7% on the SP 500, which is needed for the buyer to step back in again. And last week, the U.S. purchasing manufacturing up, and the U.S. manufacturing order is up about 6.4%, and the unemployment rate fell to 8.4%. This week, the market could remain caught in a volatile trading pattern with a horrible expiration on the option and the future as investors focus on the Fed meeting on Wednesday and the consumer economy report during the week. Market will do whatever it wants to do. As a trader, we only focus on the chart. The price on the chart will tell you everything. As stock navigators, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price chart by using a modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology so that you can buy with high probability of winning and a low risk trade. This is the only technical skill that you should learn before you start buying any stock, and you can manage your own financial future like 401k or IRA account. But we understand it's hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor you every week until you are successful. And we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can follow along and see how the price action in real time so that you can make some extra daily income and manage your own stock portfolio. Now let's look at the chart so that we can see where the market is heading to. So first of all, if you look at the SPY chart on the screen here, as you can see that the market is pulled back down the whole last week, and then on Friday they found a support at the 50-day moving average, so the people put it back up. So let's see, the market will be able to bounce it from here, or they go this way and then they come back up. So we have to see where they're heading to. In the short term, we also see that in the last minute on the Friday, people try to put it back up. So, but the trend is still down. They need to move back up, need to break this line here in order for them to go higher. And if you look at the Dow, you can see that the Dow also pulled back right into the 50-day moving average, and then they hold up here. So next week will be important to see they be able to rebound from this level. The Nasdaq, it also ripped below the 50-day moving average, but they hold up there in the last minute, and then they found a support in the shorter time frame. So let's see, they'll be able to get back up next week also. The Russell 2000 a little bit weaker, but they also found a support at the buy zone in the shorter time frame. And the goal is going sideways after they hit to the sell zone, they pull back down. So let's see that they will put it back down further. They will sideways correction here before they find a way to break out on the daily chart to get back higher. The oil is they found a support in the buy zone. They put it back up and then they hold a support. So let's see, next week they're able to break out the Dow trend line here. They can push it back up again. Bond it try to push it back up, but they hit to the sell zone. They pull back down, and the market go down. The people try to bond for shelter. They push it up a little bit, but they have a resistance here. So if they cannot get up here, and then the people can slam them down again. The euro is also back and forward in this level here. So in order for them to go higher, they have to break this level and push it up. Otherwise, they are doing a sideways correction. The Bitcoin it also found a support. They go nowhere, but with the US dollar, it continues to show the weakness. Bitcoin can be able to push it back up again. And if you look at a lot of stock this week, we will focus on you see that the transportation is still very strong in the upside. They're leading by FedEx, as you can see here. It means that the people still need the company to carry a lot of delivery, so the potential is still very strong in the upside. And the bank stock it still go in nowhere. As you can see that the bank stock it goes sideways. They get stuck in this triangle here. They need to build some momentum in order to get out of this area here to tell you they either go higher or they break down lower. And let me see, JP Morgan also they get stuck in this triangle here also, and couple bank stock they also stuck here. They try to find a way to put it back up. And a lot of, even the market going down on the technology stock, but a lot of retail stock are doing very well. That you have been following us. A lot of stock like Nike is still very strong since last week on the weekly market. This stock will continue to put into the upside. And CROS it also try to find a momentum to put in the upside. ANF also push it back up and pull back down, but the trend is still push it back up. And a lot of stock like McDonald's is still doing strong. Even the market, the technology have been correction. McDonald's still doing very well. And LYB, that's another stock that try to find a way to put in the upside. And the home builder, like a couple of stocks like Toll Brothers, they go up, they pull back down right to support, and the last couple of days they try to build up momentum to put it higher. The HI, same thing. This one here, they pull back right at the support, and then they bow back up. Okay, so this is all we have for you for next week, and we will continue to monitor the market. And if you are not our member, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that every time we have a new video, we will alert you so that you can see where the market heading to. And if you would like to learn more about the market, understand how to do day trade to make some extra daily income, or swing trade, or manage your 401k, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, if you like what I'm doing here, give me a thumb up. We'll see you during the week. Again, thank you, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.